In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Shopify buy buttons. Shopify buy buttons are a great way to sell your products outside of your main Shopify store. For example, on a blog, a landing page, or any external website that lets you add custom HTML. I'll walk you through creating and customizing a buy button and then show you how to publish it. First, log into your Shopify dashboard. From the admin, look for the buy button sales channel or app. Once you're there, click on Create a Buy Button. This is the starting point for generating the code you'll later embed on your site. Next, you'll be asked what type of buy button you want. You can choose a product buy button for a single product or a collection buy button to display multiple products together. In this example, we'll go with a product buy button so you can see the process clearly. You'll now see a list of your products. Click on the product or products you want to feature, then click Select to confirm your choice. Shopify will generate a preview of how your buy button and product information will look. Now it's time to customize. Open the Layout Style dropdown. Here you can choose between Basic, Classic, and Full View. Basic is usually a simple button, Classic includes more product info, and Full View shows an image, title, price, and button. Pick the layout that best matches the space where you'll be embedding it. Next, look for the option that controls what happens when people click the button. Open the Action when people click drop down. You can choose either Add Product to Cart or Direct to Checkout. If you want a faster, more focused purchase flow, Direct to Checkout is great. If you expect people to add multiple items before paying, choose Add to Cart. Now click on Button Style. Here you can adjust the button's corner radius and width using sliders. This lets you match your brand's look, whether you prefer sharp corners or more rounded buttons, and a full width or smaller button. Scroll to the Colors section to change the background color and the button text color. Try to ensure good contrast so the text is easy to read. In the Typography section, you can adjust the font and size of the button text to align with your brand. Next, click on Layout. In this panel, you can edit the actual button text, as well as the colors for the product title, price, and description. The typography settings here let you pick the font style and size for each of these elements, so the buy button integrates nicely with the design of your page. Then click on Shopping Cart. This is where you customize the mini cart that appears if you've chosen the Add to Cart option. You can change the heading text, the subtotal label, additional information text, the button text, and the empty cart message. You can also adjust the background and text colors so the cart matches the rest of your site. Once you're happy with everything, click on Next to move on. Shopify will now show you the embed code. Click on Copy Code, then go to the HTML editor of the web page where you want the buy button to appear and paste that code in. Save or publish your page, and your Shopify buy button will now be live